everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm doing a review on the Mimco Trance mini hip bag. It's got the black gunmetal. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous little bag. Okay, so the measurements are 18 centimeters across, 13 high, 7 wide. So it is in black leather, like I said, with the gunmetal hardware. It does have this strap. It has this beautiful chain, which is this round chain, which I'm starting to see in a few handbags now, which is very comfortable. But it also comes with this beautiful leather strap that goes over the shoulder, so that's wonderful. You can pull the strap up if you did want to shorten it, and you'd still have that over your shoulder, or you could just pull it long and then it just sits like that across the top. So on the front you can see how it's got this raised sort of bit here. I don't know what that is. It's out of the leather, and it has the Mimco written on there. On the side's got these beautiful 3 studs in the gunmetal, which is, it makes it just a lovely colour for an evening bag. I think I really like this. It's got no pocket on the back. It's too small. Wouldn't fit much in there. It's got them on the side again, and on the front and on the top you can see where I was pulling the chain, how it goes through the double holes in the rivet there. We'll open it up. Now I don't want to blind you. Inside it comes with a mirror on the inside, which is really, really cool, and it's magnetic closure, and that's the inside of the clasp at the front. Okay, I'll try to bend that back so it doesn't reflect. It's a synthetic lining on the inside, but it is leather on the outside. It has this large pocket there, which, to be honest with you, is a bit of a nuisance because it falls out over half the bag. A bag this size, I'd be quite happy that have nothing in there and just a large opening. And it does have this credit card holder, which would hold 3 credit cards. So you wouldn't even need a wallet or card holder with this. So I'll put some items in so you can see. Oh, and it has that beautiful Mimco striped lining. It's really good. It does lift out, so you can shake it out if you, I don't know, get crumbs in there, or it gets a bit dirty, or it needs a wash or a wipe, which is always a handy thing to have. So we'll put some of the basics in that you know I carry. So Samsung S8, won't fit obviously in the pocket, hangs over, so we'll put that off, put that long ways there. Like I said, this pocket to me is a bit of a nuisance. I'd carry my makeup, which is my compact and lipstick. That's about all I sort of carry, and some tissues, maybe a couple hand sanitizers will fit in that little nuisance pocket there, and a clay. So that's all I'd need for that, and the clay, it all fits standing up. Just trying to stop that mirror from getting you, and that closes fine. So there's plenty of room. Oh, I forgot money. We need a card holder. We need money, people. Or like I said, you can put them in the slots that were there. So that's a fair bit in there. You wouldn't need more. You got your phone. I've got lipstick compact, hand wipes, tissues, my clay with odds and sods, or you can put keys in there, and I've got a card holder. So it's obviously just a little small bag or evening bag. If you need to wear glasses or sunglasses, pop them on the top of your head and that would be fine. So I'll just take out these and just give you a size comparison. So I know people like that, so they can see, you sort of get a bit of a concept in your mind of what sizing. This is a zippy coin purse. Now if I put it down ways, there is still room there, and I'll just turn this over so it flattens that pocket down, because that pocket is a nuisance, and you can see there's quite a bit of room there. Or this will sit upwards on that, and that would close easy. So if I put the zippy coin purse, I could put my little makeup pouch in there. You could put a clay, my phone. It's getting tight, but can do it. Can do it easily. You can put some tissues in there. And if you needed to carry another card holder, you could pop that down there. So it's a tiny little bag, but because it's open and it just opens up from the top, and that's quite wide and it's structured, it fits quite a lot in there. So it's a great little bag, and I think it's sort of a design that you can keep for years, and I think it'll be okay. It's not something that's really you know, like a bright color that would only be in a certain time or anything like that. Little black classic. and it's not it's very subtle with the gunmetal colouring, and I really think it's just a real cute little handbag that I think I'll get a lot of wear out of. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave some comments. Bye.